going to be the second attempt of the interview of the boys storm. Because, go ahead.
Hopefully this works out.
Yeah, more people look like they're back, so.
Yeah. So here we go.
You're gonna be like, what? First customer. I know, you can hear the liveliness.
You guys remember the truck stop when I walked up?
Lots of people in there.
No, we're not. I walked up after the gym and then Luke comes in and he's like, hey, O'Neal, you gotta be out here. So I went out.
I like the way that sounds.
Yeah, I want to go there. I was the only guy out there.
Oh,
I think I lied.
you made a turn. You can see him. These people are flying.
And I wasn't trying to go. Wasn't it like 2 hours long?
Everybody say hi. This is a webcam. Or a thing. Aw. We already heard you.
Yeah, we can hear your
Whoa,
shuffling
Justin, what
feet.
you got there?
What is that?
Who just entered?
What's up, man?
I'm cool, yeah. You're not cool.
I get the holding.
Oh, sorry.
I get the holding coolness. Can you see him?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
We're videoing people.
Yeah, we're interviewing people. Well, just walking around.
Into the bathroom, too.
Guys' bathroom. I'm not allowed. I'm not allowed yet. Okay, left or right? Who's in there?
Oh, I don't know.
What? You want to go all the way down to the R room? Name that you're not allowed to say room.
Okay. Okay, never mind then. No, we were just filming people because we're really bored.
We're bored, yeah.
You can get the whole thing.
What is this? Wait, come on. Mustache.
That's kind of creepy looking on me.
Looks ugly. Someone watching a scary movie. I'm trying to see what it is. I can't tell. Ew, we just spit him.
I'm playing Desperate Sex.
What are you watching?
But it's like a remake of like The Exorcist.
Yeah.
Look, more guys. He like falls. That'd been funny. Just look at the way he's standing. Oh yeah. Ooh. The guy in the Navy is hot.
Huh?
See?
Who's hot?
Is anybody? Are they all in there? Oh my. Oh. Holy butt cow.
Hey. I heard somebody say my name. Oh.
Yeah, there's a lot of people on there.
We're filming people.
Yeah, we're filming people.
But we wanna open here. That guy's still up. Can we go in here?
No. Too much.
Oh,
Oh my god.
Sean? He was so
thought your computer died. I was scared. Does it have charge still? Where are you going? Bathroom?
Justin, he's an interesting fellow.
No. Please, no. Child on the phone.
That's like 110. I checked.
Can't really see in there. I can only see an arm.
Arms.
And feet. New fellow. Kind of short with long hair. He's not even what? Really?
Whoa!
Oh my god, get out of the way. Oh my god.
Oh!
That was loud.
That
was
hurt.
violent.
Up to my forearm. That was good.
That was like an ostrich boy.
That was good, huh?
No.
That hurt so bad.
Aw,
I know.
you're gonna have like a welt now.
Ferocity.
Ow.
Okay. Time to sum up what just happened.
That
What a fucking asshole. Oh my fucking god. Okay. Are you okay?
so
Are you okay? Let me smack you.
right here.
In your butt. Okay, I can't rub your butt, but.
Hurt
Oh my god, okay.
so bad. I was about to drop that.
If you dropped that and it broke, you would have been like, you praying for a doctor.
It got my whole like left leg, like it hit a nerve, so like the whole thing turned numb for like a second. That's how hard he hit me.
Oh my god, you're an asshole.
It's like tender right here.
Yeah, I can imagine.
That hurt bad.
I know, that was loud. That was so loud.
Like
Okay, well, that was more and very much more interesting than the first one.
yes.
We're going to listen to it and make another. We'll just see what happens, okay? Goodbye. Okay, let's watch it. Oops.
Oh,
Yeah, your poor butt.
I got it? Okay, now it's your bye. Dude. I want to.
Did you stop it? Oh, you didn't even